Hope all of you are very fine. If you haven't subscribed our channel yet, then subscribe and hit the bell icon for more amazing videos like this. Number 10. Hadutsu Sevda. Hadutsu Sevda is the story of Halil Ibrahim Karasu, who returns to the Black Sea village of his birth. Halil was forced to flee when he was just 5 years old after his father was murdered by the local crime boss Rizwan Lito. 20 years later, Halil came home to marry his childhood sweetheart Yasmin. But when Rizwan's son murders Yasmin, his mission takes on a whole new direction. Halil becomes a one-man army with the sole purpose of destroying Rizwan Leto. Halil gains some unexpected allies as he works his way through Rizwan's criminal operations, including Rizwan's daughter Zainab. Zainab wants to move on from the illegitimate life, and once she learns the truth about what her family did to Halil, she has no choice but to help him. Number 9. Inji Taneleri. Azam, who has a happy life with his wife and two children, is a literature teacher loved by his students. His life changes completely in a single night as he goes to prison for killing his wife. However, the reality is different. Azam has a secret that he cannot tell anyone. Azam, who has spent several years between four walls, has only one goal when he gets out of prison: to find his children and to sit on the same dinner table with them again. But this will not be easy at all. Number 8. Sahib Sizzler. A story of six siblings: Azize, Kamo, Zaliha, Fidan, Samit, and Balim, who, after suddenly losing their parents, struggle to stay united and survive. The roots of their tragedy trace back to their parents, Bala and Rifat, whose forbidden love begin in a village in Mardain. Rifat, a teacher, falls in love with Bala, but Yavuz, the wealthy and obsessive son of Mardain's richest family, kidnaps her. Despite his abuse, Bala escapes with Rifat and they build a splendid life in the forest, raising six children in peace. However, Yavuz's revenge shatters their world when he finds and attacks them. Fleeing to Istanbul, the siblings face the dangers of the city while seeking refuge with Uncle Aslan, their father's trusted friend. The story highlights resilience as the older siblings are forced to grow up quickly to protect their younger brothers and sisters in the face of overwhelming challenges. Number 7. Leila Hayat Ashk Adalat. Young Leila's life spirals into disaster when her father Hilmi marries Noor, the beautiful young woman who once cared for Leila's late mother. Blinded by love, Hilmi doesn't see the torment Leila's new stepmother inflicts on her, turning their home into a living nightmare. Tragically, Hilmi realizes too late that Noor is not who she seems, paying for his mistake with his life. Left homeless and alone, Layla swears revenge on the women who destroyed her family and stole her life. Years later, Layla returns under the guise of Ella, a talented chef hired by Noor, who is now living in luxury with her new partner, former football star Tofu. But things take a complicated turn when suddenly childhood savior Chino reappears in her life as Jivan, Noor's adopted son. Number 6. Kral Ka Bedar Se. The series follows Kinan Baran, a successful businessman in a troubled marriage with his wife Handan. His affairs force her to confront her self-worth, while Kenan's life is turned upside down by Fadi, a young woman from a poor background. Their relationship leads to a downfall that changes everything, exploring the power struggle between control and freedom. Number 5. Kizil Gonja Lar. Kizil Gonja Lar tells the poignant story of Maryam, married off at 14 in an Islamic sect and now battling bravely to prevent her daughter Zainab from suffering the same fate as the bride of Sheikh's grandson. Guided by her sister-in-law, a former sect member, they realize they must flee to save Zainab from the sect's powerful clutches. Fearfully hiding her plans from her cruel husband, Mariam must first earn money as a career in the home of secular psychiatrist Levant, who agrees to help her. Despite their clashing religious and progressive beliefs, Mariam and Levant are drawn together emotionally, but the turmoil in their lives deepens as the identity of his daughter is revealed. Number 4. Piazza. Piazza will focus on love, betrayal, and power struggles. In the world of media, magazines, and TV series, Munawwar, as burdened as the wedding dress she is said to wear, surrenders her fate to a stranger in a desperate attempt to save her family. Her journey, which begins in a small coastal town, soon carries the dark secrets of the past and the ruthless reckonings of the future into the dazzling world of Istanbul. In this world, Turkey's biggest star, Kenan Akin, takes center stage, though not just on the glimmering screens, but also in his own solitude and the addictions he cannot escape. Yet, neither the bright lights nor the hidden truths can conceal the manipulative force behind him. His mother, Kariman Akin. Number 3. Gonul Dagi. Tanir is a young inventor living in a small town named Gadili in the middle of the moor. Tanir and his cousins Vaisal and Ramazan had been dreaming to build an airplane for years, and they finally managed to build it. And also at the same time they succeed to convince a company to see and invest in their airplane. The company decided to send an engineer in the town. This engineer was a surprise name, his childhood sweetheart, Dilik. Number 2. Kizilcik Sharbati. Kizilcik Sharbati tells the captivating story of the idealistic Dua falling hopelessly in love with a charming man from a devout family whose values clash with those of her mother, creating a powerful drama as they seek to overcome their differences and find harmony. Kizilcik Sharbati explores the power evaluation in the idealistic Dua when she finds love at the start of university with a man whose beliefs conflict with those of her mother Kevaljim. An unexpected pregnancy is set to turn Dua's life plan upside down, shaking to the core two families from different births. Fatih comes from a devout family. He seeks a serious relationship, which he finds when he and Dua fall in love. Kevaljim's fears about their romance are fulfilled when her daughter becomes pregnant. Fatih sees this as a gift from God, but Kevaljim warns it will destroy Dua's life, convincing her to have an abortion. Number 1. Uzak Shahar. Alia Albora arrives in Mardin with her late husband's funeral and their 5-year-old son to fulfill her husband's last will. However, this arrival marks a point of no return and there is no way out of Albora. The head of the Albora tribe, Jihan Albora, is no indifferent to Alia's struggles, but he refuses to let her take her child and leave. Confronting the darkness of the past, hidden secrets, and the harsh realities of the region, Alia Albora finds herself caught in a fierce struggle with her late husband's family. If you like our video, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more amazing videos like this.